Thank you for your time today. I'm the project manager for the Cool Widgets Microsoft Training Project, Alex Pelchier, and I'm happy to go over this week's reporting period with you. This is for the week of June 24, 2019 to June 28, 2019, and our project status is currently green. This is going to be a simple breakdown for this week as we're still in the middle of our training in the California location before we move on to our assessment period in the Nevada office. Much is the same as it was from last week's progress report. If you have any questions, please hold them until the end of the presentation. Thank you. Thus far, our project hasn't encountered any issues which would impair our timeline or budget. Requirements, material creation, training software, and travel accommodations have all gone according to plan thus far. This has left us in an ideal position for our training period. Baseline evaluation was performed within Aaron and Alicia's first 2 days in the California location, and accommodations are set and on schedule for the next location, Nevada, scheduled to begin July 15, 2019. There are no milestones which have been accomplished within this period, but we're on track for meeting our training completion milestone. As mentioned previously, due to meeting milestones for the requirements outlined, material collection and creation, training information, and resource implementation, as well as accommodation confirmations, we've been on schedule and are in a great position for meeting training goals. The California office is halfway through their training. Participation has been strong with few absences due to sicknesses. Trainers have divided responsibilities to catch up students who have missed days as not to delay the schedule or impair the quality of their lessons. Longer lunch breaks have also been provided to students who are current in training to encourage attendance and provide additional time to those who are absent to catch up. There are no work breakdown structure milestones planned for next week. Efforts will be maintained to keep training on schedule to meet the training completion milestone. This is our work breakdown structure and Gantt chart for this period. Our timeline point has been highlighted, and we're on track for budget and scheduling goals for training. Thank you once again for your time and effort with this project. Please go ahead and pose any questions at this time.